Have you ever wondered why some people with average salary are making a lot of money out of it, and on the other hand, some people with a very amazing or huge salaries are still broke? Think about it. It's not about your money. It's not about how smart you are. It's not about the stock market. It's all about the psychology and the mindset towards money. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 life-changing lessons that I learned from the Psychology of Money book. Stay till the end and you will change your perspective towards money. So in your neighborhood, I am sure you have observed that there's this person with a very average salary, but he still owns 3 properties down the line and everything is fine. His career is good, his work is good, his life is good. So again, it's not about how smart you are. It's about what do you do with the money. Now many people I have seen, they are in a lot of debt, they are in a lot of loans because of the show off. Because of the nature of their work, they have to show off, alright, totally understandable. But still, over a long period of time, they do not have enough assets and they don't put the money into the right instrument. So what you can do is, let's say a difference between a smart person and an average person is the investments they have made, right? Normal person will buy a car, normal person will buy luxury items out of it with the salary. A smart one, what he'll do is he'll invest in stock markets, he'll invest in mutual funds. Over a long period of time, it compounds, and once it started compounding, you can see some amazing growth. Similarly, you can own 3 properties just like your neighbor person who is rich and living a good life. Lesson number 2 is compounding. Now compounding is actually a magic, but it starts late. I mean, you have to wait 10-15 years down the line to see that magic. Now how many times you have done that? You have started a SIP and you have stopped it because markets were down. Again, a bad decision. You have invested some money into the markets and you booked the profits, you booked the losses out of fear, out of anything. Maybe you need the money and whatever it is, but you do not let it compound. Now that is a very wrong decision you are making. Over a long period of time, compounding works and it will do wonders, but you have to wait for it. At least wait 10-12 years down the line so that you can see that magic. So next time when you invest, think long term, stay invested into the markets and don't try to book it. Don't try to take money out of it out of fear and anything. Trust the process, invest into right instruments, right stocks, right mutual funds, and you're good to go. Lesson number 3 from this book is stop comparing. Now you have seen the social media. Many of your friends must be traveling. Many of your friends must be earning a lot of money. Many of your friends must be buying new cars every single day, right? But you have to stop comparing yourself with them. Trust me on this one. Comparison, you will lose a lot of money in that process. I have personally felt it. I started comparing myself with my friends that are doing good in life, but everyone has a different phase, right? So be at your own pace, start earning, start investing, and make sure you do not break that chain, just like the last point I have discussed. So you don't have to compare because see, किसी का 100 पॉइंट है जो 100 लेवल पे है, तुम अपने फर्स्ट लेवल से उसे कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. मे बी ही स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिंग 10 years बिफोर, राइट? या फिर उनके पास ऑलरेडी इतने फंड्स हैं कि वो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स का टेंशन नहीं ले रहे हैं. बट इन योर केस, यू आर एट योर ओन पेस, यू हैव टू डू इट स्लोली and stop looking at others. Basically do your work and be consistent with it. So author has mentioned a very good point, which is margin of safety. So point number 4 is that you have to have some investments for that margin of safety, right? So you have planned your goals, you have planned your house, you have planned your car. We have different goals, different financial savings for every aspect, but we never have savings for our freedom to exit that toxic job, right? To sleep peacefully at night. That is known as margin of safety. So ये point बहुत important हो जाता है, and this is my favorite point. I mean, make sure you have that goal sorted. कार का, घर का, everything should be sorted, very much fine. But you should have some goals like freedom, like exiting your job, like making a lot of money without working. That is how you can actually enjoy your life. So point number 4 is very much deep, and this is my personal one. Now the last point, and it's very much important, and trust me on this one, life is not in your control. Luck plays a very important role in your financial decisions. Let's say आपने एक स्टॉक परचेज किया और आपके फ्रेंड ने भी एक स्टॉक परचेज किया at the same time. Now his stock goes up 100% in 6 months and your stock doesn't go up. Both the stocks with same fundamentals, everything is good, future is good and everything is fine. Now he can compound his money fast as compared to you. So that is not in your control. But what is in your control? Save that money, put that money into the markets, take that chance, right? You have to keep in that, you have to be in that process. I mean, you should not waste that opportunity of not investing at all. तो ये बहुत important point हो जाता है, because see, luck actually shapes your future and if it's not in your control, all you can do is try. तो कर्म की मतलब फल की चिंता मत कर, कर्म करते जा वाला जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंटली वैलिड हो जाता है. सो अमेजिंग पॉइंट, वेरी डीप, बिकॉज व्हेन लाइफ इज नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. स्टे at your own pace, invest in the right investments, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ओपन करके रखो जहाँ से आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सोर्स ऑफ मनी या फिर इनकम आ सके. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग एसेट्स. वैसे भी देखो इन्फ्लेशन की वजह से वी आर लूजिंग आवर मनी. अगर आप बैंक में रखोगे तो यू वोंट गेट एनीथिंग आफ्टर 10 years डाउन द लाइन, बट इफ़ यू इन्वेस्ट दैट मनी यू विल गेट समथिंग. एंड मे बी वॉट इफ यू आर द लकी वन. आई मीन आपके फंड्स भी तो 100% हो सकते हैं ऊपर, राइट. सो पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत ज़्यादा आपको सही रखना पड़ेगा when it comes to investments and when it comes to psychology of money, because see, it's all about mindset. So you have to create that opportunities, and luck is actually important in case of investments and everything. So follow me and subscribe my channel because मैं और समरीज ऐसे लेके आते रहूँगा, and I hope you loved it.